We are now living in a new era, an era of rapid technological change, an age of disruption, a time when information and data are everywhere and questions can be asked and answered in a matter of seconds. Locally, the manufacturing industry that built the foundations of our cities has continued to evolve. Companies are reinventing themselves and transitioning to smart manufacturing that is data-rich and quickly adaptable to the needs of their customers. To excel, the workforce must also adapt. Training and education must be driven by employer needs, programs developed in collaboration and offered in unique and flexible ways. On-the-job training built into educational offerings. We are seeing a growth of startups again, a renewed spirit of innovation, starting a business as a way to earn a living.